last one. It couldn't be your fault. When conspiracy sounds so sweet, you fed yourself on lies. Now you're fat with bullshit.